If you visited a Disney park restaurant or lounge last decade, chances are you came across a Blue Glowtini, Disney's signature drink of the 2010s, sparkling with an iridescent blue radiance that lit up every glass. With its electric colour and blue glow cube, it was more than a drink. It was a moment of pure Disney magic. Sadly, this dazzling cocktail has disappeared from park menus. But don't worry, the magic isn't gone. Today I'll show you exactly how to create a Blue Glowtini at home. Hey everyone, my first Blue Glowtini was back in 2017 at downtown Disney's ESPN Cafe, which sadly is also a thing of the past. Sipping that glowing blue drink while watching the LA Lakers take on the Houston Rockets. For me, that drink was the only winner. It was every bit as amazing as it looked, and so much fun with that glow cube. And it is so easy to make, and perfect for beginners. It's made with citrus vodka, peach schnapps, blue Curaçao, and sweet and sour, and pineapple juice. So let's get into it. Ice into the shaker. I've also got a pre-chilled glass. It's been in the freezer for 5 minutes. Okay, so we need 30 ml or 1 ounce of citrus vodka. And we need blue Curaçao. This is what gives it that stunning blue colour. 15 ml or half an ounce of blue Curaçao. And we need 15 ml or half an ounce of peach schnapps. And we need 30 ml or 1 ounce of sweet and sour. You can buy this anywhere. It's pretty easy to make your own, but it's pretty easy to just buy a bottle too. And lastly, we need 30 ml or 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Okay, so before we shake, it's time to get our glass and turn on the glow cube, if you have one. If you don't have one, it doesn't matter. It's still going to be a gorgeous blue drink. Here we go. Blue. Okay, let's give this cocktail a shake. Okay, I can feel that's cold. If you can feel on the bottom that it's cold, that's when it's shaken enough. Alrighty, let's pour this. Look how stunning that looks. That is just beautiful. And I do love the way down the bottom it's kind of looks a little bit green where the glow of the glow cube isn't quite reaching. With or without a glow cube, this is a stunning drink that doesn't deserve to be left in the past. Let's give it a taste. First sip is bright and citrusy with pineapple and peach, and the sweetness is balanced perfectly by just a touch of tang. Even though it can't be part of a Disney visit, this magical drink can live on right here in your kitchen. Shake it up, drop in that glow cube, and suddenly Main Street and fireworks don't quite feel so far away. For me, it's a nostalgic reminder of my first one at Disneyland, but I'd love to hear your Glowtini memories too. Did you ever try this glowing blue cocktail in the parks? And if this is your first time discovering Disney's signature blue cocktail, let me know if you'll be mixing it up at home. If you enjoy themed and pop culture inspired cocktails like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me for the next cocktail. Cheers. That's definitely a winner.